Namamsi. My name is Shubha and you are watching Tattvam. This is the sixth video in the Varnamala series. In the Varnamala series, I teach how to pronounce Samskritam sounds correctly, and I also teach how to read and write the devanagari script. And apart from this, I give lot of minute details and interesting facts about the Samskritam sounds in order to enrich your knowledge and to make your pronunciations perfect. So please do subscribe to Tattvam so that you don't miss any updates from my channel. Before going into the topic, I would like to make a small announcement. I am starting my next batch of online Sanskrit classes for kids and adults in the month of June. So if you are interested, please do send an email to tattvam.sanskrit@gmail.com. For those of you who do not know me, I am a native Sanskrit speaker and I have been speaking this language since the time I started speaking, and I have been taking many batches of Sanskrit classes. This upcoming batch will be the 14th batch. You can read reviews about my classes in Urban Pro. I have given the link below in the description. Today's topic is Ayogavaha. I had already mentioned this in the first video when we did the vowels. But today we will go a little more deeper and see all the Ayogavahas. In Samskritam, all the alphabets, all the sounds are categorized into three groups. The first group is Swaraha, which we saw in great detail. The second group is Vyanjanani, which we have just started. And the third group is Ayogavaha, about which slightly I have told, but we will look into it in more detail in this video. In the first video, I had told that the Anuswara, the and the Visarga are the two dots. For pronunciation's sake, I am just saying aha. These two are Ayogavaha, but there are actually four Ayogavahas. First of all, just to recap, Ayogavaha, why the name Ayogavaha is there? Because these four are not part of Panini's Maheshwara Sutrani, so therefore Ayoga, and Vahaha because though they are not there, they are still playing a major role in the usage of the language. So that is why the name Ayogavaha is given to them. The four Ayogavahas are Anuswaraha, Visargaha, Jihvamuliyaha, Upadhmaniyaha. First two we have already seen in the first video. If you have not yet watched that, then please do watch the lesson number 1. Let us look into what is Jihvamuliyaha. Jihvamuliyam sound comes when there is a K or a K after a Visarga. For example, we can read this as Ramaha Karoti, or we can join and pronounce them as Ramah Karoti. That sound is called the Jihvamuliyam. Ramah Karoti. It comes from the root of the tongue, so that is why it's called Jihvamuliyam. Same way, if I want to say Shishu Khadati. So when we tell together, when I read it fast, like Shishu Khadati. So that sound, if you have noticed, that sound is Jihvamuliyam sound. How is it written? There is no alphabet to represent this sound, but we have a symbol which is like a half of Visargas. It's written like this. I have seen this symbol used in some old books. Now let us come to the Upadhmaniyaha. Upadhmaniyam also is when after the Visarga, if there is a P or a P, then when pronouncing them together, that sound F comes. That sound is called Upadhmaniyam. For example, Punaha is there. If I read them like together, punaf, punaha. So that first sound is the upadhmaniyam sound. Again, there is no alphabet to represent this sound, but we have some kind of a symbol which is same as that used for the jihva muliyam. It is like this. Even when in reciting the Gayatri mantra, there is the dhiyo yo naha and prachodayat. So after the visarga pa comes, so you can recite it like dhiyo yo naf prachodayat. I hope you found this video useful and valuable. If you did, then please do like, share and comment below. If you have not yet subscribed to Tattvam channel, then please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when I add new videos. And if you have any doubts, then please put them in the comments below. I will address them. And again, I would like to make the announcement that in June I am starting the next batch of my online Samskritam classes. If you are interested, then please do send an email to tattvam.sanskrit@gmail.com. धन्यवादः. अग्रिम वीडियो मध्ये पुनर्मिलामः.